Hello friends, welcome to DevRoute. I am Myra and you are watching our CSS series. Today in our series we are going to talk about Flexbox. Flexbox is one of the display property in CSS. In our previous tutorial we talked about some of the display properties including block, inline block and display none. Today we are going to talk about Flexbox. To start with Flexbox, I created a HTML file which contain a div, the main div. I assign a class to this div as flex container. Inside a flex container div, I have three child divs. One is yellow in color, another is green, and third one is blue. So in my CSS, I just set the background color for more visibility and apply some padding. Okay. Now, as we all know, the default div display property is block. Why? Because when we have a display property block, we have an element set with width 100%. Okay. Now if we want to change our display to flex, what will happen? I am just changing display property of my div flex container as display flex. Now you can see over here each div which is a child div. When we talk about flex, each child div which contain in your main container is known as flex item. So each of your flex items are displayed in column wise because by default flex container is set to raw. To set your flex direction, you can use property called flex direction raw. So this is the default flex direction. When you have a flex direction raw for the main container, then each flex item will be displayed in column wise. Okay, if you want to display your flex item in raw wise, then you have to just do is you have to set flex direction to column. Now each of your flex item will be displayed in raw wise. But what if I want to display two above divs in raw wise and third one in column wise? There is no direct way in flex. To do so, you have to make some changes in your HTML. You have to place these two divs, the above one, in another div. So I am creating a div called wrapper div. Okay, and I am closing this wrapper div after my second flex item. Now I am going to set my wrapper div as display flex. Okay, now you can see my two above divs which is yellow and green one are display in column wise and the third one is display in row wise. But you have noticed that above two divs contain only the spacing size as minimum. Okay, I applied padding over here, so it contains some space. Okay, so to set your div as relatively to each other, div size relatively to each other, what you can do, you can apply flex dash grow to 1. In our next video, we are going to talk about grid and what is the difference between grid. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.